much should be your emergency fund, how much life insurance you should have, and how much health insurance? Well, watch this video till the end. Hi there, Namaste. This is Akriti Agarwal Iyer and welcome to the next video of the series Are You a Money Virgin? And this video is also the part 3 of the video Rules of Investing. In this video, I'm going to discuss about insurances and emergency fund. So let's get started with rule number 8 on how much should be your emergency fund. Well, this number depends on if you are single and not really responsible for anyone financially, then your emergency fund should be 3 times of your monthly expenses. If you're responsible for someone financially, whether it's your spouse or your parents, your emergency fund should be 6 times of your monthly expenses. Please note that your emergency fund should be kept aside in fixed deposit or liquid mutual funds because you don't want to invest this money into volatile asset classes which could result into losses when you actually need the money. So keep this money in very liquid and safe investment options like fixed deposits and liquid mutual funds. Now, if you want to know more about it, you know that our Namaste Money course is coming out and you can add yourself to the waiting list to know about the exciting offers and discounts that we are announcing only for the exclusive list of people who are a part of that list. So add yourself to that right now. The link of the same is there in the description below. After creating your emergency fund, the next contingency that you should be completely prepared for is life and death. Yes, just having insurance is not enough. You should have enough insurance that if something goes wrong, you can be replaced financially. So to give you a heads up, my next rule number 9 is about how much life insurance you should have. Your life insurance should be 12 to 15 times your annual income. So if your annual income is 10 lakh rupees, 12 times of that would be 1.2 crores. So your sum assured amount for your life insurance should be 1.2 crores because if anything were to happen to you, your family members would get that 1.2 crores. They would invest that money to earn on an average 8 to 9% return, which would eventually give them the same amount that you were earning while you were there. So the idea of insurance is that it should replace you financially. So when you're buying insurance, do note that it is to cover a contingent event. So this ballpark number of 12 to 15 times of your yearly income will give you a good head start on how much should be your insurance cover. The last rule of the rules of investing, that's rule number 10, is to know how much health insurance you should have. Well, COVID has made us realize that health insurance is extremely important. So there are some ballpark numbers that you can refer to when you want to know what should be your health insurance number. If you are in a metro city or a tier 1 city, then your health insurance should ideally be 10 lakh rupees. If you are in a tier 2 city, then your health insurance sum assured must be around 5 lakh rupees. Now again guys, these are some ballpark numbers that you can refer to when you're buying health insurance. Again, your budget and a lot of other personal factors do come in play when you are looking at your insurances and emergency fund. But this definitely gives you an idea as to what are the things that you should have and by how much. When we teach you to draw up a financial plan, in fact in our course Namaste Money, we run through 2 financial plans. With the first 3 things that we ask people is to get themselves an emergency fund, a life insurance and a health insurance. Because once your contingent event of life is taken care of financially, then you can start planning and invest for further goals like travel, house, retirement. So do consider getting your insurances. If you already have one, then go back and check if they are enough. Apply these rules right away. As I told you in the beginning of the part 1 of this video that when you go through these 10 rules, you will get a good head start on what are the things that you should consider when you're making your own financial plan. In fact, you can consider these 3 videos as a sneak peek into our course Namaste Money, which is a course with 33 sessions where we discuss in detail about everything that's there in these 3 videos and a lot more. I hope these 10 rules of investing will get you started on investments, savings, and insurances. So if you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Do share it with your friends and family. And also watch out for this space every Wednesday and Saturday for freshly brewed content from Wealth Café. Until then, save hard and invest smart.